Fuck this shit. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. I'm actually gonna fucking... Listen. Oh my god. This sucks. Oh my g- Can you feel my pain? Anyway, what's up, guys? I'm waiting for... Dude, I had such a nice lunch, and now I have hiccups. This is bullshit. Okay. Spoiler alert, they didn't stop. Oh my god, I can't even... I can't talk! They're not going away! Listen, I don't have hiccups a lot, but when I have them, it's... okay. When I do have hiccups, it's fucking bullshit. Ah, shit. Let's go. Oh my god. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, this is starting to annoy me. Dude. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm actually gonna fucking dropkick myself. It's not stopping. Like, what the f- Dude. Oh my goodness.
Draven out.
I'm actually gonna fucking cry. Now let me go see Emu's guide because I follow it very much. Now what about Morgana? Am I bad against Morgana? I think I'm fine with these runes. I have a Zyra. I mean, Jhin is kind of annoying. That's fine. I can take these runes. I'm actually gonna fucking go ape shit if my hiccups continue. Like, I'm actually fucking pissed. Like, what the fuck? Why do hiccups exist? This is bullshit. Oh my god. I've had hiccups for the past 20 minutes. Are you kidding me? Okay, like, why do hiccups even occur? That's what I want to know. Also, I'm playing against 2 mains. Oh shit. Wait, is this like a full main team? Well, we have quite a few mains and we have a diamond in our team. What the fuck? Okay, sorry, I'm dying. Now let me check something. Oh my god, what? Okay, why do hiccups occur? Why do we hiccup? Medical news today. Let me read this article for you guys. Oh my god. Hiccups are bursts of inspiratory breathing in activity. The muscles we use when we take in a breath are the intercostal muscles situated between the ribs and the diaphragm, a sheet of muscle below the lungs. Most simple cases of hiccups come after eating or drinking too much or too quickly. I just spat everywhere. The stomach, which is situated right below the diaphragm, I can't say that word in English, become distended and irritates it. This will cause the diaphragm to contract as it does when we breathe in. Okay, this is bullshit. This is complete bullshit, okay? I know, try shit with water. I've already tried it and it doesn't help me. Like, I barely get hiccups, but when I get them, it's the most annoying shit ever. Like, it's actually fucking annoying. Because it's like nothing helps me.
Being noble takes all the fun out of fighting.
It's okay. Alright. Okay, so while we're waiting, I want to show you guys my Lego Diva. We bought Legos with Gabe, and this is what I built. She's so cute, look at her. So that's just been sitting on my desk. I've been admiring it for the past 2 days. Dude, the hiccups are like, they're so funny. Gabe came to my room to say bye, and I had like the loudest hiccup, and he was like, what the fuck was that? I was like, I don't know. I mean, they're kind of funny, not gonna lie. Like, the thing is, it used to work for me with like, what was it, not breathing, and now it doesn't. Guess we'll just wait until they stop. Oh, wrong minion. Oops. Gotta catch up to him. It probably looks so fucking funny. Are they gone? No! What? Bruh. I was like, yo, they're gone already, and it's just like, nah, they're not. Hell no. Also, my mouse is kind of having a stroke. Wait, let me fix that. Oh my god. That does not sound attractive at all. Why is it so funny to me? It's not supposed to be funny. Okay, time to be serious. Shh. shit. It is okay. OMG lag. Rip. Our soldier has fallen. Oh, I walked into that. I thought I walked out of it. I still have more farm and I haven't been farming at all. I was just fixing my mouse and fucking hiccuping. Hiccuping. Is that even a fucking word? Ouch. They're not stopping. They're actually not stop. I can't breathe.